How's it going, guys? Welcome to the show. Well, I'm finally getting to installing my water pump. The Porsche has been sitting for quite a while now. It turned into a bit of a busy summer, and I'm finally getting this thing put back together. But it came time for me to install my new water pump, and that meant I took a closer look at the water pump that already was kind of silly when I took it off, some of the stuff that they did. But it made me take a closer look at the thermostat and check out how they installed this thermostat. Check out how they installed this thermostat. A thermostat. They installed the thermostat pretty funnily. How not to install a thermostat? So this is the water pump that was in my car. A couple of funny things about this. One is they used RTV on both sides of a paper gasket to install it, that's not normally, you usually don't do that. Two, it's got this funky homemade block-off plate. The new pump has this plastic block-off plate. Not sure why it has like a hose outlet on it that doesn't go through, but either way, it comes with the pump, so I'm going to use that. But the funny thing about this pump is check out what they did with the thermostat. So normally, like you can see on the new pump, the thermostat goes in with a rubber seal around it. This goes around the thermostat. I got to clean it off before I put it in. Along with the shim that goes on top of it, and then the snap ring goes in. Well, they must have not have had this rubber seal or this shim for some reason, so they just glued the thermostat into the pump. Check that out. RTV. So when I took this apart, I was expecting to pull this out and there to be a shim on top of there and then, the rubber seal, but I pulled out the C-clip. I realized it wasn't pushed tightly against the thermostat, and then when I tried to pull the thermostat out, I couldn't pull it out because it's freaking glued in there. Isn't that funny? I guess in a pinch you can glue your thermostat in. I wouldn't recommend it though. This thing worked fine. I mean, it heated up and cooled down like it should, but I don't know. Just another hack from the previous owner. Thought you guys would get a kick out of that. All right, check back for the episode when I install the water pump. Not sure which order that will come out in, but I'll definitely do an episode on it. So, yeah, check back for that. And in the meantime, just thought you guys might get a kick out of that. All right, see you next time.